Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if projecting to this PC is grayed out in your Windows 10 settings. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in Apps and Features. Best result should come back with Apps and Features. Go ahead and left click on that. Select Optional Features underneath Apps and Features, and then you want to click on the Add a Feature button right here. In this field up at the top, type in Wireless Display, checkmark next to Wireless Display, and then select Install. Give it a moment here. And there you go, guys. Should say installed. So if you close out of here or restart, it shouldn't matter. It should be installed. And if you go down here, it should be a wireless feature or wireless display, I should say. And if you go back into the projection settings, they should be ungrayed out and available for modification. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.